because no matter what the best vendors in the market say, no matter what the best analysts in the world say, you need to try out some of these things. And you may find some really interesting results when you start diving into one of these channels that you never really expected. So we would strongly encourage you to take a little bit of budget, take a little bit of time, and use your best judgment to try out some things and test and learn. And as you find something that's working, keep investing, keep growing that. Definitely take the lens and some of the ideas that we gave you and start thinking about everything from a cross-channel perspective. You can definitely do it in phases. You can promote one of your channels over another channel and start leveraging that because that's where your eyeballs are. But really take to heart some of the advice that we gave you about pulling all of that data into one central place and being able to leverage that to make all of your messaging smart and all of your communications smarter and better because of what's happening in those other channels. As we were saying, message from a data perspective, really leverage what's happening in all these other channels and personalize and customize those messages and figure out what do people want to do with you in each of these channels and really optimize your communications. In terms of the value chain, as we said, it's pretty complex. There's a number of different players. So you really want to take a look at who's really strong, what is the core competence of each of these players in the value chain, and make sure you're optimizing your value. For example, if you're a brand, you probably shouldn't be talking directly to that aggregate. You probably should have someone in that middle link, whether it's an ESP or your CRM provider or a leading ASP. It's much tougher for the brand to talk to that aggregator directly because then they're going to have to build a lot of software that we've spent years and millions of dollars building. So really understand the value chain and understand which partners you need to bring